Hello everyone, I'm Monica O'Kane, Traffic Safety Specialist for the El Paso District. Today we have with us El Paso Fleet Supervisor, David Alvarado.
Hello everyone, we're going to do today is a demonstration of how to hitch and unhitch a trailer. So after you're traveling with your trailers, step number one is chuck the wheels. You grab your set of chucks and you put them at least in one wheel. After you chuck your wheels, step number one will be putting the landing gear on the bottom. Every trailer might be different. Some of them might not have a wheel. They might have a landing pad, but the mounting to this is exactly the same. It goes with the pin. Here's the pin. You want to make sure that the pin is secured and all the way through. Step number 3 will be cranking down the landing gear until you feel the pressure relieve out of the truck. Right there. And you can feel the truck go up. Next step will be removing this pin to unlock your trailer. Just like that. Now remove the electrical cable. Remove your safety chain. After everything has been released from the truck and this is unlocked, then you just crank your landing gear until this becomes free from the hitch. That's all. After that, you can clearly see that your truck is disengaged from the trailer. You're free to move the truck forward. Step number 1 from hitching a trailer to a pickup or to a truck, it's make sure that your hitch is open. Removing the pin, pulling this lever sideways, make sure that your tab is open. Many hitches are different. This is the way this one locks and unlocks. So, step number 2 of hooking up your trailer is guide the truck back for the hitch to make contact with it. Coming back. After the truck has reached that point, parking brake is set, then you can get off the truck and then continue with this. Next step, first will be lowering this trailer until it makes contact with this. As you can see, the truck still needs to move a little bit back. So we crank it up again and get the operator to move a little bit more. So just come an inch. Oh, right there. That's good. At that point, this trailer should fall right into it. You can see when the hitch has made contact with this and you lock it. To lock it, it's either with your hand or with your foot. Don't push like this because you're going to get pinched. So you go like that, it locks automatically. After this moves forward, you put your pin. Now your trailer is hitched. You raise your landing gear as high enough to clear any low spots. And in this trailer specifically, we remove that wheel. You put that away for now. We do our safety chains. Every truck that's equipped with a tow hitch, it's got some rings on the bottom where the chains go. Then you do your electrical connection. At this point, the only thing you have left is taking your wheel chucks out. You put those in the back of the truck in case you need them. And you're good to go. After your trailer's been hitched and everything's been connected, you want to check your lights before your departure. In this particular trailer, we have 3 amber lights, one in the front, one in the middle, and one in the back. As you walk around it, you have both of your tail lights, you have your license plate lights, and your lights up on top. On the other side, you should have the same lights, which are the 3, front, medium, and rear. Once all those lights are functional and operational, then we go to the operator and we ask them to test our turn signals. So you can turn the left turn signal, the right turn signal, the brakes, and we're good.